we'll slowly bring our head back to center, bat the eyelashes open. And we're gonna move into a pranayama called Nadi Shodhana. Now, many of you are beginning with a nod of the head, yes. And then a gentle shake of that, gentle movement in the neck on your own. The head, no. And then I just want to offer you some quiet time here. So just a couple beats here to find some gentle circle.